welcome back. So I've been trying out all this concealer I own, and by trying out I mean a proper wear taste. I've been using this particular, all the concealers for 10 days, one concealer for 10 days and then different one. I've been wearing those concealers for 8 to 10 hours on daily basis, and basically to check what I like about this product, how it performs on my skin, and how it performs with different techniques and different products basically. So the point is, there are so many hyped up concealer in the market, and you might have bought one after your favorite YouTuber's recommendation, but sometimes those famous holy grail products seem to work for everyone on the internet but don't work for you. I know that happens. So what do you do if that happens? You find a way to make it work, right? After all, you've spent your hard-earned money on it. So the purpose of this video is to find a best way to use the particular product that you own. And if you already own that concealer and don't like this or like it, watch to find out if you can use it in any other way to suit your needs. And if you don't own any concealer that I'm going to talk about but looking for a recommendation, you may want to continue watching to see if this is the right fit for your personal issues. By personal issues, I mean hyperpigmentation, dark circles, stuff like that, not daddy issues.
Are you listening, girl?
My first recommendation is Girl Pro Conceal High Defined Concealer. Very long name. It has been there in the market for over 6 years, and they have not brought out any new or improved version of it. So you know why? Because this is a winning formula. It's creamy, it's medium to buildable full coverage. I think it lasts very long, and it's kind of water resistant. It suits all skin type, and the number of shades they have, plus they have amazing price point. I have it in the shade pure beige, and this is perfect for my under eye dark circle. I don't like this brush applicator. I would have preferred like a wand, like the one typical wand you get in any drugstore concealer. What happens is this top portion, it comes off if you squeeze it too hard, and the product comes out oozing out of it, and everything is a mess. So I can't really hold it against the packaging of the product. The product itself is really good. When you squeeze it around, it kind of comes through this brush applicator like this, and you can apply it directly on your face or take it on the back of your hand and apply it with a brush. And if you're like a makeup artist, when you apply it on other people, please don't apply directly on their face with this product, because that's just disgusting. This is the one that I've been asked about a lot in past, and I'm yet to review it on my channel. And I figured since I'm reviewing their concealer, I should just review their corrector as well alongside. So I actually have two different shades. I'm not a huge fan of that deep orange reddish like orange corrector. I know that you are supposed to use that orange corrector if you have extreme darkness under your eyes or darkness on your face, hyperpigmentation. But just so you know, this is not my first impression with this product. I have been using this product for quite some time now, so I know how this formula works on my skin. What used to happen is I just feel like that orange corrector would blend into my next concealer, so much so that it would change color of the concealer. So it would alter from looking like this beigey tone to looking like a combination of this and orange. So basically it looks kind of orange underneath my eyes, and that's why I personally don't use that deep color corrector, especially in this formula. It just doesn't work for me. I tend to go for something like this, something light, like this one here. This is a peach corrector rather than going for orange one. That's why I stick to my Becca under eye brightening corrector. But I'm gonna demo both of this out today, and I'm going to be using one on the one side, another on the other side, and I'm going to be testing it out without corrector as well. I only use this when I don't have full face of makeup on, and I only want to cover my dark circle. If you apply it directly on your skin without any barrier like foundation or any concealer, that's when this works the best. When I layer it, it works horribly. You cannot layer this product on anything. You can't use it for contouring or highlighting, because those are layers. It just doesn't work. I suggest you not to buy contour shades in this particular one. That is why when I go in with this peach corrector, again the formula is same, love it, but cannot layer it. So to cover up that peachy tone it leaves behind after you apply it, you can't cover it with foundation or really any other concealer. You will have to use the same formula on it. Just a heads up, amazing product for everyday use if you can find your exact shade, because you can't really mix and match with other product. And if you're buying corrector from LA Girl, make sure to buy a concealer to cover that up so that you can, cover that corrector shade it leaves. Like I said, it doesn't go well with any other concealer, but honestly that's the only negative point about this product. This is legit magic in a squeeze tube. Basically, if you have dry skin type or dry under eyes like myself, buy it. This concealer retails for 695 rupees. It comes in 30 different shades. It's crease resistant formula with opaque coverage that is creamy, lightweight. It is long wearing formula that is going to help you camouflage darkness underneath your eyes and any redness on your skin and face, any imperfection basically. So anything that you have going on, it is going to help conceal that completely. It provides us with complete natural looking coverage that is going to help even out skin tone, cover dark circle, minimize any fine lines around your eyes, which I'm all for. Right, so the peach character is supposed to neutralize dark spot for lighter complexion, and the orange is going to do the same thing, only that one is meant for deeper, like medium to deep complexion. But like I said earlier, for the same reason orange character didn't work for me is the formula, not the color itself. I do actually use orange character from several other brands and they work just fine on me. LA Girl Pro Conceal works best when you apply them makeup free on naked skin with brush or fingertips is fine. Now some claims from this brand which did not come through for me. Let's read that. It states that you can top it off with loose powder in order to set it, and you can reapply it if necessary. It is multitasking concealer that is perfect for contouring and highlighting as well. Well, already talk about contouring and highlighting. You cannot layer this product, not when it's wet, not when it's dry, especially not when it's dry. Reapplying it will only make your makeup look cakey. Plus I guess you can top it off with loose powder if you want. That could work, but if you have like even little bit of creasing on your under eyes, and if you if you apply it, just don't apply powder. Just keep this concealer as your everyday product and don't use this when you're going for a full face of makeup or glammed up look, and you'll be taking full advantage of this product.